Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Porchia Nicole here, and today I'm back with another awesome video. And today's video is sponsored by ScentBird, one of my favorite subscriptions. Okay, ScentBird is not a stranger to my channel. A long time ago when I first started my channel, ScentBird was one of the first subscription boxes that I reviewed, and it was not a sponsored video. Is been with ScentBird for years. Okay, like I've been using them for years. I absolutely love ScentBird. ScentBird is the reason that I have found some of my favorite fragrances. This is my top favorite fragrances that I have, that I use every day. Like I pick and choose every day, and I found these fragrances because of ScentBird. If you don't know, ScentBird is a subscription-based website where you could sign up and you could choose fragrances. Like every month you can choose one, you can choose 2, 3. However, it's not just for females. You can choose, they have cologne. Like ScentBird and up their game. Okay, back when I first started, they just had perfume. Now they have cologne, they have candles, they have body stuff, they have skincare, makeup, they have a whole lot of plethora of stuff on ScentBird. But to be honest, I mainly go there for the fragrances, okay, for the perfume. That is my thing. Okay, it is my thing. I have gotten other people to sign up. Derek is signed up. He gets the cologne. He gets a kick out of smelling his new fragrance for the month or whatever. So the good thing about ScentBird is you could like date your perfume, you know, like you can like date it before you actually commit to it. And so if you don't like it, it's like, okay, cool, you can just go on a different date with somebody else or with something else because you didn't commit to buying a full bottle. I do know that sometimes perfumes, going in and getting the big bottles or whatever, can be pretty expensive. Even a travel bottle sometimes. I was in Sephora and I got the Gucci Bloom travel size, and this thing is like $28. So with tax it's like $30-something. So this is only 25.25 fluid ounces, and this was almost $30. This right here, this is 0.27 fluid ounces. So this has more, the ScentBird one has more product in it than this one, and it's half the price. This should last you 30 days, but it really lasts longer than 30 days because it just depends on like how much you're spraying, and I have so many of them, so these things last me forever. But even if you only had one, they do last more than 30 days. So yeah, it's a win-win situation. Don't say I didn't tell you, don't say I ain't put you on game, you hear me? So basically when you order from ScentBird, when you first order from them, they will come in little packages like this. So these are what I was sent this month from ScentBird. And they come like this in your first little package. They all come in little vials. When you first get it, you get a white vial, but they also have other colors that you can go on there and buy, and if you want to, if you just don't want to always have the white one, or if you want different ones. So these are the 3 fragrances that I was sent this month. But y'all, I have a lot of fragrances because, like I said, I've been with ScentBird for a long time, so I'm not new to this. I am true to this, okay? And these are the ones that I always use. They're normally in my purse, ready to go. I switch out the fragrances because I have so many. Like Taco Florence, I have ordered this more than once. Like, I can do that. And I also have the big Taco Florence. Like, I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but whatever. But anyway, we will get into the 3 that was sent to me, which were these. And the first one was Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Rose. I haven't tested this one yet. Oh, that smells good. Smells real rosy. It smells like a smell that I would want my hair to smell like. Yeah. I asked Derek do a smell good later. Yeah. So Dusty Rose. And so like basically it comes like this. You twist it up. You spray. Like, isn't this like the cutest little thing? Derek, do you like your colognes that you get from ScentBird?
I love them.
You like to, what you like to switch, get different ones?
Yeah, I get a bunch of different ones. Switch them up. I get 2 per month.
Oh, he's bougie. He gets 2 per month. I get 1. You hear me? He's getting 2 per month. Okay. All right, I hear that. She must like you to smell good.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I hear that. Everybody ain't able, must be nice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope I answered every question that you needed to know about ScentBird. If you have any more, please leave them down below. Point blank, you can't go wrong with ScentBird. If you don't like it, you can just cancel it. Or see how you like it, and then you keep going. You know, win-win situation with no win, no lose, no win, no win, no fault, no lose.
No harm, no foul. No
harm, no foul. That's what it is. So yeah, no harm, no foul. So yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.